On this adventure with Lukimyu, we try not to get swallowed by a whale shark, we're overrun by fish, and Denise is frustrated with passage planning.
Maybe the storybook light.
We've just gone to snorkel with the whale sharks, and on the way there, just as we were approaching, what are they called?
Jamie's having a mental blank about the word Bagan.
Bagan. Just as we approached the Bagan.
It's like a fishing trimaran platform. It's pretty big.
And what they do is they lower their nets at night, and then they turn on a heap of lights, and that attracts a whole lot of fish, and then they pull the nets up in the morning underneath the Bagan, and that has obviously captured a whole lot of little fish, and then the whale sharks come in to feed on the really tiny little fish.
That sort of fall through the net.
Yeah. So as we were approaching, we saw lots and lots of fins, which made us think, you know, with all this burley and fish in the water, are there sharks there as well, normal sort of sharks? But they were predominantly dolphins, weren't they?
They were, and so you could hear them doing their little dolphin song underwater, and they were just whizzing around, and
So it was pretty cool.
how cool were the whale sharks?
The whale sharks were amazing.
About 8-10 metres maybe, hard to tell. Big,
Yeah,
big fish.
certainly at least 8 metres in length.
And they were very shark-like. In there, more so than I was thinking, they would look more like a whale because of the big mouth. But
The
fins
gills, yeah, and the fins,
and
very,
the
very
gills
shark-like.
and the little tiny eyes, very shark-like.
Yeah.
Just ridiculous. So cool. And I saved a whale shark because I pulled a whole lot of fishing line out of its mouth. A lot of fishing line out of its mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, he seemed very grateful.
So, yeah, enjoy the footage.
We sure did. Oh, dolphins. Fuel cables become disconnected. So we reconnected it. Jamie, restart the engine. It won't start, but to quote Jamie, we've been blown towards the boat, and that's a good thing. Good work, Loudon.
Got it going. Not what you want.
We are in Triton Bay and off for a dive this morning, but we need to go to 2 hour to do our visa renewal. which is up for its 2-month renew, which is about 130 nautical miles away, day and a half, or pretty much overnight passage. We're just trying to figure out whether we go Saturday morning, Sunday morning, or Monday morning in order not to go against a headwind again. Green guy says we've got every wind known to man, and the yellow guy says we've got a southeasterly to start with and then every other direction. The blue guy says we've got a southerly swinging to a southeasterly, and the red guy says southeasterly pretty much all the way.
With no clarity or consistency with the weather forecast, we thought we'd go for a dive. When we can, we like to dive with the local operators because they generally know where the best spots are.
Take a dip in the ocean, spend the day in the sunlight. Let's go back to our old ways, 'cause these years they are catching up. And there's so little time, and I don't see how we can waste any minute of it.
On the next adventure with Lukimyu, we leave the beautiful Triton Bay to renew our visas in 2 hours, and we traverse our most difficult dinghy tie-up yet.
Take a breath, and open up your eyes. It's a brand new day.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends.